Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your data center with Dell EMC step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current data center infrastructure. Identify any vulnerabilities in your hardware and software components. Next, establish a comprehensive security policy that outlines protocols for data protection. Choose Dell EMC solutions that align with your security requirements. Prioritize data encryption both at rest and in transit. Implement Dell EMC isolated recovery solutions to safeguard critical data. Set up multi-factor authentication for all user access points. Regularly update and patch your operating systems and applications. Monitor network traffic continuously for unusual activities. Utilize Dell EMC's advanced threat detection tools to identify potential breaches. Conduct regular security audits to ensure compliance with industry standards. Train your staff on data security best practices. Deploy a robust backup solution with Dell EMC to ensure data recovery capabilities. Document all security processes and incident response plans. Review and update your security measures periodically to adapt to emerging threats. Create a plan for disaster recovery that integrates seamlessly with your Dell EMC infrastructure. Lastly, continuously engage with security communities to stay informed about new challenges and solutions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.